Hello. Before we start any task or anything else, we need to install a wallet for investing. For investing, we need to install a wallet. In this project and system, we use a special and reputable wallet that is very professional. It has very low fees. To install this wallet, we go to Google Play and look for the Mayor app. Once we find it, we download it. As you can see, this app has a letter M logo. We download it and wait for it to be installed. Then, we run the app. We wait for it to be fully installed. The app is successfully installed, and now we run it. It's very easy. We just press the buttons like this. And then, we continue. The app asks if we want to create a new wallet or if we already have one. We choose to create a new wallet. We click on the Create a New Wallet option. In this section of the software, it asks for our phone number. Don't worry, the app doesn't care about our location or country. We simply enter our phone number. Note that this phone number is not for creating the wallet. It's for providing security for our wallet and also marketing plans and such. Simply enter our own phone number. Keep in mind that the phone number we enter here is not used for creating the wallet. It's used to provide more security for our wallet as well as for marketing plans, etc. I enter my phone number. I wait for an SMS to arrive. I enter the security code. Then, I wait for the app to verify my identity. And I wait for the app to complete the verification process. Identity verification completed. Great! I received a message saying this phone number has been registered before. I've done this before, so the app asks me if I want to enter a new phone number for this new wallet or use the same number as before. For this new wallet, I choose to use the same phone number as before. Congratulations! The wallet app has been successfully installed. Before we explore the features of this wallet, we need to ensure its security. Well done! The wallet app has been successfully installed. But first, before we dive into the features and capabilities of this wallet, we need to secure it. We must ensure that if anything happens to our mobile device or wallet, we can easily recover it without any worries. So, first things first, let's secure our wallet, and let's make sure that if, for any reason, our wallet or mobile device is damaged or lost, we can recover our wallet on another device without any worries. Alright. This is the interface, and we'll talk about it in more detail later. There is a gear icon at the top right of the screen, and I click on it. From the security section, I continue. We set a PIN code for our wallet to prevent unauthorized access. This ensures that no one can enter our wallet without our permission. We enter the PIN code again to confirm it. Next, we set a security phrase for our wallet. Note that anyone who has this phrase will have full access to our wallet. So, we need to back up this phrase for ourselves. Let's take a break here. To ensure that we have properly saved our backup, we need to follow these steps. We need to back up our wallet in two ways. We either save our security phrases on Google Drive or alternatively, we can also write down the security phrase on a piece of paper. I confirm my choices. The app asks me to enter the security phrase word by word in order. If I share my security phrase with anyone, I will lose my money. I take everything seriously. It asks for my PIN code. These 24 words are the security phrase for our wallet that we need to save in a secure place. I save it carefully in a secure location so that I can use it to recover my wallet if it gets lost. Now, I enter the security phrase. I take a note of the phrase or take a photo of it. And we enter the words in order. It takes some time, but it's for our own security. Finally, we have successfully entered the security phrase in the correct order. Here, the software confirms that we have saved the security phrase for ourselves. It may take a while, but it's for our own safety. Now, the app asks me to back up the security phrase on Google Drive. I confirm and take a backup of the phrase in Google Drive. That's it. We have successfully secured our wallet.